Hello, dear viewers. Here I already done 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 3 days ago, 3 days ago, 3 days ago, and 7 days ago. Your TDB YouTube watch screenshot TDB. If I go to the details, here you can see TDB YouTube for TDB YouTube search watch screenshot. That kind of stuff. Employer task satisfied. Okay. Employer no comment. That is satisfied. How can I prove that? I V code. That's file one. So how can I do that job and all are payment here? Okay, you can see all are payment here. They're all are jobs done. Okay, so how can I do that job easily? I will show today to for your uh, recommendations that you have to need that type of jobs to make a video. So let's go. Let's move in the screen. How can I do that kind of job? Okay, thank you. Hello, dear viewers. Hope all of you are well. So here is the device job. Just click here and that's open. And click here. You can click here and that's open. And that's all our things are well. Verify that and that. There is 16. Yeah, 16 times. And then there are light shot here. I already taken. Here is the light shot. Here I paste here. And then you have to finish. Okay, that was successfully submitted. Okay, that's all. So thank you very much for watching that video and hope that will be helpful. Hello dear viewers, hope all of you are well. Today I will show you that how you can do um, such a kind TDB watch, like and comment such a jobs. Employer comment is that you have watched the video till every end. Most important step to reasons why you are getting paid. Please go ahead and search the video. Watch full video till end of the complete instructions again. So you have to. That's my reverse test because here is timing. Timing is going on. It is a revised task. They given to me. It's revised for revisions. Okay. For the reasons you have to go here. They told that perform search on YouTube. You have to search this or this sentence. Okay. I take this. Okay. Then copy, and you have to search here in the search bar here. Whenever you search, that YouTube will be show that kinds of video. So which video you will see? There is lots of video about Bybit. Bybit is a cryptocurrency. So for the reasons we have to go. They told me that make sure you first 50 pages of YouTube videos, please type it on copy paste. Okay, and then what the thumbnail, video thumbnail. There are lots of video. Which video or correct video? Okay, so for the reasons you have to go this screenshot thumbnail. So go there, just click and open this, and this is the thumbnail of the videos. Okay, this is the thumbnail. Okay, so I have we have to choose that thumbnail. This is the thumbnail. Okay, you can click here. This this video will be open, and she will be taking. That's how that's going on, and how you can do this. And this video you have to watch the end, and they have to take a screenshot. They given to send a screenshot starting the video. Whenever the video start, here is, and you have to click snipping tools or different kinds of. Just click here and snip. That's and then save it and save it easily. Given the name, any kinds of name, you can give this name, and then you have to open light shot. Okay, it is the light shot, and browse that. You can paste their image, and then you have to this image. Here is the image. You will see here is the image. The first time you can copy, open. Whenever it open, it will be copy here, Uh, this will be, oh, no, that's not, sorry, not that. Mm, Whenever you copy, that's time that will be open, and that will be here, and copy that image. Okay, that whenever uploaded that, and copy, here is it, you can see it, here is it, and copy. Just go, I show you, I just copy the link and paste here. Okay, copy and paste, and then again you have to prove that you have to screenshot end of the video. End of the video, you have to watch this video fully. Whenever it's come here, that will be show you, that's the video, and then again you have to take a screenshot here like this and save it. Any name I already saved there, and go again like shot, and this is the video, end of the video, this video here I already, okay, and then you can copy here, copy, and then here you can paste, okay. And last section is how many times is bit by mentions. You listen whenever first time you have to go there, and they will the video editor tell that's by bit like that, and how many times that sentence pronounced, that kinds of issues are here. And there are 16, and then whenever is okay, all things are okay, then you can just push or press this finish button. Whenever you can finish button, the task will be done. Okay, verify, proceeding. Okay, that's again there is some problem. Okay, I will show again.